In 1911, the USS California crossed the threshold that would lead to Pearl Harbor, making it the first large ship to enter Pearl Harbor. Naval Station Pearl Harbor was established 3 years earlier in 1908 on the Hawaiian island of Oahu. The harbor played a very large role in it. Pearl Harbor is a lagoon that's located west of Honolulu. This is a natural deep-water harbor. Initially, this harbor was not used because of a relatively shallow entrance. What made the entrance shallow was a reef. There are two things to consider that would make Pearl Harbor into a major naval base. One of them is the capture of Manila. Manila was captured during the Spanish-American War, and with the capture of Manila, there is a need for a permanent way station. Hawaii being midway between the Philippines and the western United States of America, this was strategically perfect. There is also a desire for a large deep-water harbor. Pearl Harbor is a deep-water lagoon. However, because of the reef, it had a shallow entrance. What happened was that entrance was dredged, the reef removed, therefore making it easier for ships to enter that harbor. It is at this deep water lagoon that a naval station would be established, Naval Station Pearl Harbor. Today it is part of Joint Base Pearl Harbor Hickam, joining with Hickam Air Force Base. Hawaii has been very important for the U.S. Navy because of its strategic location, being midway between the United States West Coast and the Far East. It was very important as a refueling center. It was very important as a place for repairing ships. Hawaii's strategic location is one of the biggest reasons why there is such a large military presence in Hawaii. It is one of the reasons why Pearl Harbor was established in the first place. There is a lot to be considered with geography in the military, especially in terms of strategy, location, other factors like deep water harbors. There is a lot that goes into it. If you like this video, check out other videos on this channel. And as always, be sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe.